Hello, here are three questions of electricity chapter for class 10 physics. The first question is the VI graph of a parallel and series combination of two metallic resistors are shown. Which graph A or B represents parallel combination? So how will you approach to solve this question? See here, by Ohm's law, R is equal to V upon I is equal to constant. So from this equation, if I fix the current, then like this is the origin point. I fix the current at point say P, OP, current is fixed. Now if the voltage potential difference is high, the resistance will be high from R is equal to V upon I, that is R directly proportional to V. If potential difference V is more, R will be more. So for which material, A or B, the resistance will be high? Here in this case, for material A, resistance will be high. But in series and parallel combination, for series combination RS, the resistors connected in series are added together, and in parallel combination, say equivalent resistance Rp, the equivalent resistance will be much less than series resistances. Like for 3 ohm and 6 ohm, if both are connected in series, RS will be 9 ohm, but when these two resistors 3 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel, resistance in parallel, equivalent resistance in parallel will be 2 ohm. So here for the material B, the resistance is less, so definitely material B will be for parallel combination. So answer will be, for this question, which graph A or B represent parallel combination? So answer will be graph B. Graph B will be representing for parallel combination, because in parallel combination the equivalent resistance as seen in this example is much less than the same two resistors connected in series. So answer will be B. Now move to question number 2. List count of voltmeter is 0.05 volt per division and it reads 17 division. The list count of ammeter is 0.01 milliampere per division and it reads 20 division. What is the resistance of wire? So for this one, you have to first know about what is list count. So say this is the ammeter or voltmeter dial, and this one is the starting 0 division, and say this one is 100 division, like this. So list count we denote by LC. List count is defined as the total range upon total number of division. if it is maximum range is 100 volt for a meter or for voltmeter, or say for a meter if it is 100 milliampere. Here I take the case for voltmeter. So maximum range upon total number of division. Say total number of division here 10 division, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So we divide. It means 2 volt per division. 2 volt per division will be the least count. So in this way, least count is defined as total range or total voltmeter or a meter value upon total number of division. So here it is given least count of voltmeter is 0.05 volt per division and it reads 17 division. So V is equal to least count multiply number of division. Here n is the number of division, and for this one take n1. So n1 is equal to 17 and least count is 0.05. So 0.05 multiply by 17 and we are getting 0.85. 0.85 volt is the value of voltmeter reads. Now for a meter the least count is 0.01 milliampere per division. So a meter reads I is equal to least count multiply n2. So for 20 division reading by milliammeter, I will be equal to, here I write 0.01 multiply n2 is 20. So 0.2 milliampere, right? Then R is equal to V upon I, and put the value. V is equal to 0.85 upon I is 0.2 and convert milliampere into ampere. So answer will be 8.5 divided by 2 multiply in numerator 10 to the power 3, because in 1 milliampere 10 to the power minus 3 ampere in denominator. So this reading will be 4.25 into 10 to the power 3 ohm or 4.25 kilo ohm. Here in this question the answer will be 4.25 into 10 to the power 3 ohm or 4.25 kilo ohm. Now I move to question number 3. In a given ammeter, a student sees that needle indicates 17 division in a meter while performing an experiment to verify Ohm's law. 10 division between 0 and 0.5 ampere. So here range is given 0 and here I put if 0.5, this one is the needle indicating for ammeter, and between 0 and 0.5 there is 10 division. So what will be the least count here in this case? list count LC will be equal to range is 0.5 divided by 10 number of division, that is 0.05 ampere per division. Ampere per division, I write here ampere per division. Now the reading of a meter I is equal to list count multiply number of division, and list count we get here 0.05. So 0.05 multiply 17 and answer will be 0.85 ampere. So for question number 3 answer will be 0.85 ampere, and these are the solution for 3 questions. Thank you so much.